Aditya with Russian Residential School. This is our project AI-based LiDAR rover. We can use our rover from some other planets and moons. From this LiDAR, we can see front object.
This
And
is a
night vision camera.
Night vision camera. Live. It shows lively what is happening from night vision camera. Uses of this is mapping and viewing
by LiDAR and night vision camera. Now we show you a demo.
You can see this is showing lively, which is front. This is front camera, night vision camera. It's showing lively. You can see this live camera
And viewing by LiDAR object. Thank you.
Thank you.